ElevenLabs is the world's most realistic AI voice platform. It can clone any voice from 30 seconds of audio. It dubs videos into 29 languages in the original speaker's voice. It is used by Netflix, content creators, and audiobook publishers worldwide. In this video I cover every feature, complete voice cloning setup, how to get the best results, full pricing, and the ethical guidelines you must follow. ElevenLabs is an AI voice technology company founded in 2022. Their core technology is voice synthesis, creating speech that is indistinguishable from a real human voice. They are used by Netflix, HBO Max, and major media companies for dubbing. YouTube creators use them for multilingual dubbing of their channels. Audiobook publishers use them for narration. Podcasters use them for AI co-hosts. And individuals use voice cloning to create personalized text-to-speech for content creation. Text-to-speech with 3,000 plus AI voices in 32 languages. Voice cloning from 30 seconds of audio. Video dubbing into 29 languages maintaining the original speaker's voice. Conversational AI for building phone agents. Speech-to-speech transformation in real time. Automatic audiobook creation. And the Reader app that reads any article aloud in your own cloned voice. Voice cloning setup. Go to ElevenLabs.io and create a free account. Click Add Voice, then Instant Voice Cloning. Record or upload at least 30 seconds of clean audio, speak naturally, no background noise, no music. Label the voice with your name. Click Add Voice. ElevenLabs processes it in under a minute. Your cloned voice is now available in every text-to-speech generation. For the best quality, use 1 to 2 minutes of audio in a quiet room with a good microphone. The more audio you provide, the more accurate the clone. The dubbing feature is remarkable. Upload any video. Select the target language. ElevenLabs transcribes the original audio, translates the content, and generates new audio in the original speaker's voice in the target language. It even adjusts timing to match the original lip movements where possible. You can dub a YouTube video into 29 languages and maintain your own voice in every version. This feature alone has enabled creators to reach audiences they could never access before. Free gives 10,000 characters per month, enough for several short videos, with voice cloning and 3 custom voices. Starter is $5 a month with commercial license and 10 custom voices. Creator is $22 with professional quality cloning and 30 custom voices. Pro is $99 with 500,000 characters and 160 custom voices. Scale is $330 for production level usage. The ethical guidelines, these are important and not optional. Only clone voices you personally own or have explicit permission to use. Never impersonate real people, this is illegal in most jurisdictions. ElevenLabs has anti-abuse detection technology that monitors for misuse. Voice cloning for fraud or impersonation purposes is a criminal offense. Add a disclosure when using AI voice in professional content. Do not use to create disinformation. ElevenLabs will terminate accounts that violate these guidelines. Start free at ElevenLabs.io, no credit card needed. iOS and Android apps in their stores. Full documentation at ElevenLabs.io/docs. API at platform.elevenlabs.io. Browse the free voice library to find voices for your content. All links in the description. Subscribe for more AI tool guides.